Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with amyswares, and today I have a little mini haul from Simon Says Stamp. It just came, just pulled it from the mailbox. I'm going to unbox this for you and tell you what I got. Now, my sweet friend Janice recently sent me a gift card for Simon Says Stamp, and I was able to use it during some pretty good deals. So I will link everything that I'm going to show you in the video description box below. I don't know if it'll still be available. I don't know what the price will be relative to what I was able to get it for. However, I will still link everything below. And if you follow those links, it's no additional cost to you. So let me start with what I got. One of the first things I like to do when I go to Simon or shop at Simon is look at their exclusive stuff, especially the CZ Designs. That's Kathy Zilski. If you don't know of her, look her up. Her videos are amazing. She's hilarious. She's such a cool designer, and she has some of my favorite sentiment dies. So this is cool. You can see there's a shadow layer and a word layer, and you can see it's pretty substantial in size. Let me get a little ruler here. Looks like it's over 3 inches, so that'll be nice and imposing on a US A2 size card base. But it says good vibes. Very excited about this. I love the font. It doesn't have the tittle attached, but that's okay. It's big enough that actually I'm looking at it. Oh wow, none of the letters are attached. Oopsies, I didn't realize that. Well, it looks like VIB might be, and then the rest are going to be individual. So yikes, that's a little more fiddly than I thought, but that's okay. It's still worth it. It's very cool. And it's still big enough that's not super fiddly. So that's important to me. So you'll just kind of have to piece it together either on its own or onto the shadow layer, but it should be easy to kind of nestle it into where it's supposed to go. So this is called Good Vibes from CZ Designs. Okay, and then another die that I got. This is called Fancy Love Die. It looks like another probably Simon exclusive. You can see these are connected, and it's got this cool heart shape. So you can kind of see the shape of it here, and it's also got the shadow layer. So I'll have to use the little snips to get that out. But this and one of the other items was ridiculously cheap. I don't know that it still is. I think I just happened to catch it on a really special sale day or something. But I was able to get it ridiculously cheap. So, and this one is, let's see, also nearly 3 inches. So decent size. And this will be really cool. And I love the kind of flowy look to it and the heart on there. So very cool. Here's another item that I got really silly cheap. This is Regal Hearts. So this is a 6x6, I believe, red rubber stamp. This is a background stamp. I already have ideas of how I want to use this. It's really cool. I don't really have anything like this. So this is a cling stamp. So this will work in your MISTI or a stamp positioner if you have one of those, or you can always just kind of like lay them down on your work surface and do various different techniques. So background stamps are very versatile and fun. I'm excited to play with this. Okay, and then finally, this is not Altenew. You're going to be shocked. This is Spellbinders 3D embossed. But my friend Al has done a couple card projects recently with this, and I was so enamored with it that I had to have it. If I remember, I'll try and link some of her videos below, but I'm going to try some of the techniques that she tried with it. This should be very dramatic. You can see it's quite large. So this is like probably the size of half a sheet of cardstock, it looks like. Actually, it might tell me how big it is. Yeah, 5.5 by 8.5. So this is literally the size of half of a sheet of US cardstock. So that's crazy. You could get two panels, boom, boom, right in that same pass of your embossing folder. So, or pass of your embossing machine or die cutting machine, whatever you use. Sorry, I'm a little fumbling over my words here, but this is what I got. Thank you so much to Janice for the very thoughtful and generous gift card. Oh, also got a little stamp timber thing here. I don't know when I'll air this. It's nearly the end of September right now, but it was probably Stamptember deals that I got in on with these two. But like I said, I'll link everything below. You can check out if it's in stock and what it's priced at and if it's crazy low like it was. But otherwise, I am so excited to play. If you're looking forward to what I'm going to create with these, I would suggest you hit the notification bell. I would love if you hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you on here again. And I will catch you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks again, Janice.